Choose your language, because learnNX is now available in 9 different languages. In addition to the original English language, the following languages are now available: German, French, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese and Spanish. Unfortunately, it is not possible to change the existing videos on YouTube, they have to be uploaded again. And so videos with the additional languages will be uploaded daily, over the next few weeks. You can recognize the multilingual videos by the small globe at the bottom left. After starting the video, you can now change the language here.
खास रंगों वाले उत्पादों की ज्योमेट्री एक जैसी होती है लेकिन रंग अलग-अलग होते हैं. इसके लिए कई
possibili per questo, ma la soluzione migliore è cambiare il colore tramite un'espressione. E con questo, benvenuti a suggerimenti e trucchi su learnNX.
I'll be honest, the automatically generated translations are not as perfect as the English original, but they do help you to understand the spoken comments better.